Welcome back, my financial freedom fighters. It's your favorite family member, Money, Mel, Junior. And today, what I'm going to talk to you all about is that good old Acorns stock account. So, we're going to talk about last week. The Acorn stock account was at $8,202. Now, from last week to this week, we went from $8,202 to $8,355. Now, how we did that was with active growth of $50. I invested $10 each day into the Acorns investment account. That was Monday through Friday, $10 each. Now, my passive growth was $103. That includes my interest and if any dividends or anything went into the account passively. Now, also, what I count passively also are my roundups, because Acorns lets you do roundups where it rounds your change up. If you spend something and it equals, let's say, 50 cents, it will round that next 50 cents up. I don't have mine set on any multipliers. I just have the basic roundups in my Acorns account. So for the active growth, the deposits that I made, that's the active growth, which was $50. The active growth percentage was 0.60. That was as far as the active growth. Now, in the passive growth, from $103 was 1.25%. And that gave us a total of 1.85% for a total now Acorns account sitting at $8,355. Now, just to refresh our memories, the goal for the year is to get this account to $10,000. So before the year is out, I need to be at $10,000 in this account. But I think we can do it come October. So just recapping on the week for the Acorns investment account. Last week, we ended it on $8,202. This week, we began on $8,355. We actively invested. So we deposited $50 into the account during the week from here to there. The passive growth, which is mean the amount that the account went up on its own, was $103. The percentage it went up, active growth, was 0.60%. Passive growth went up, was 1.25%, for a total growth of over the week of 1.85% growth of the total account. Now, I've seen some people say, talking about when it comes to the growth of the account, that, well, you're investing X amount into the account, so it's really not counting as growth or whatever the case may be. That's nonsense. If you save, let's just take investments out. If you save $1 million into an account, whether it be investment account or a saving account, at the end of the day, you still have $1 million. Now, if you invest and you acquire $1 million, at the end of the day, you still have $1 million. So this active growth still counts as growth for your account. So it doesn't matter, honestly, if you put $1,000 in here and you only passively grow $5. That still don't matter. As long as you maintain the path that you set for yourself and continuously to invest passively every week, every day, every month, whatever is your schedule, just make sure you don't miss a beat and continue to do that. It doesn't matter if this doesn't grow. That goes to say, to tell some people, so if your investment account isn't doing so well and is going down, would you stop investing? No, you won't. I know I'm not. I'm going to go more heavy into the investing. So as long as this number right here keeps remaining positive, keep doing what you're doing. It doesn't matter what this number is, as long as it's positive. And a 1.85% growth over a week in your account is amazing. Because think about it. You have 4 weeks in a month. And if this go up 1.85% each week, you're looking at over almost 7% growth just over 1 month. Now you have 12 months in a year. And 7 times 12 is what? 84. So that's 84% growth over the year. So don't let no one tell you that your baby steps is not progress. So keep up the good work, keep grinding, keep the good fight. If you have not opened up your Acorns account yet, hit the link below. Join my financial freedom family. Let's get this money together and let's continue to grow. All right, y'all have a good one.